Thank you so much for joining me. And today I'm going to take a look at the trades I took on Wednesday, September 7th, 2022. So today was another short day. It was a really choppy day, actually, and another one and done day. So if you saw my previous video, you see I only took one trade, but that was because I was a little bit under the weather. Today, the market was just a little bit choppy here. So I only took one trade. Thankfully, it was in the green. It was on the SPY. So let's take a quick look at the SPY chart here. Looking at the pre-market here to the left, the gray area, and the previous day close, which is this the faint yellow line here you'll see. That's the so it was right under the previous day close. So the market was a little bit lower right before the open, and then right as soon as the bell rang, everything started to trend a little bit higher. But it wasn't really moving. There wasn't that much strength. There was still lots of indecision in the market with the Fed. Interest rate concerns looming overhead. So that's what's moving the market, or not moving it anyway. So as you know, Raymond, from previous videos, I tend to watch just only the SPY, the Qs, and AMD. So didn't see too many setups so far. Saw lots of wicks. If you look at the chart, there's so many candles with the wicks, so lots of indecision or not much follow through in here. So I did see one setup here. So if you look at the entry time here for the SPY, the one and only buy order I took for today was on the 391 puts. Took it at 9:59 and 16 seconds. Got filled at $1.42, and was looking for this push between the below the pre-market high. So that upper purple line here, I always set it for the pre-market high and low. So it tested it. If you see that red wick candle here, right a couple of minutes beforehand, it came down and briefly touched the pre-market high. And then within about 6 or 8 minutes later, retested it again. So I thought this had a pretty good chance to break lower. So got in here and immediately got a big push. So it pushed right below the pre-market high. And as soon as I saw it was about 391.17 on the tape, I hit the market order to get out. And this is one of these orders where timing can be the difference between having a decent gain and a huge loss, especially on the fill too. If you had waited too late to get filled here, you could have easily gotten filled on the push down, and then would have had a really bad loss here trying to get out of it if you didn't hold it any longer. So looking at the order on the exit here, got out once again, got in at 9:59 and 16 seconds, and got out here at 10 o'clock and 12 seconds. So just under a minute holding it, and got out for $1.64. So in hindsight, these are the trades you wish you took more shares or took more contracts, but there's a lot of chop today, so wasn't really confident on taking any bigger size. This move, as you see, looking at the chart a little bit later, it eventually did push lower again with a similar. I thought about taking another trade here as it pushed below the pre-market high again, but didn't see any pullback. I was looking for some sort of a pullback to give me a good entry spot, a good place to risk off of. But just didn't see it, so I didn't want to take a chance and go from a green day and turn it into a flat day, or even worse, a red day. So just a one and done for me today, a green day, which green is always good. So just the one trade on the SPY that'll put me up today, $20.70. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash the like below. And if you want to continue to follow along on my journey to get to from 1,000 to the PDT level, the $25,000 account, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.